Hello everyone and welcome to the very first video of Linguivers. I'm so excited that you're here. I'm Laura, a qualified and experienced CELTA teacher by Cambridge, and I'll be sharing with you very important and useful information that will help you improve your English in all its different areas. We'll have diverse and fun English lessons, learning tools, and tips and tricks that will make your learning process a bit easier and much more enjoyable. I've learned the language myself, so I know very well how challenging it can be and how frustrating it can feel when you can't express yourself the way you'd like to, naturally or just sometimes effectively. That's why I would like to help you a bit and share with you some of those ideas, tools and things that helped me understand and learn the language to a proficiency level. Because if I could do it, you guys can do it too. If you're interested, make sure you subscribe to our channel Linguivers by clicking the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you can see when there's a new video ready for you. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you soon. Bye.